When you type a question into this prompt box, the response feels distinctly human. It reads as if you are chatting with an endlessly knowledgeable friend who always has the exact answer you need. At its core, ChatGPT functions as a large language model, a highly complex statistical math engine. This mathematical reality supports extraordinary outputs. The system writes Python code, passes the bar exam, and composes poetry with ease. How does a glorified calculator, a machine built strictly on numbers, produce such a convincing illusion of human intelligence? To truly understand how this machine works, we must assemble it from the ground up, starting with its basic raw materials. We begin with a foundational hurdle. AI systems cannot read words or letters. They process numbers. To bridge this gap, text is shattered into puzzle piece chunks called tokens, averaging 4 characters each. Every input translates into numeric values. The system then tracks statistical relationships between numbers using parameters, billions of adjustable dials defining how tokens appear together. Tokens provide the vocabulary, and parameters provide the memory. Yet these components remain static until a specialized engine is built to process them. The transformer architecture serves as that engine. Invented by researchers in 2017, it replaced older, slower methods of processing artificial intelligence. Older models read slowly left to right. The transformer processes every prompt token simultaneously, driven by self-attention for deep context. For instance, in Cold Lemonade, the modifier cold physically alters the target's spatial meaning. The lemonade token moves across a graph toward refreshing. A powerful engine requires fuel, provided through a process called generative pre-training. During pre-training, the model plays a relentless game of guess the next word. It predicts the next token in a sequence and checks its work against trillions of examples until it maps the patterns of human language. Training a model purely on the raw, chaotic internet leads to unpredictable and often harmful responses. Developers tame this chaos using reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Human testers graded the answers, teaching the system safety, teaching it helpfulness, and a conversational tone. RLHF acts as the steering wheel for the engine, transforming a wild pattern guesser into the polite, reliable assistant we interact with today. We can now track exactly what happens in the millisecond you hit send on a prompt. This process is called inference. Your text prompt is instantly shattered into tokens and fed directly into the transformer engine. Attention lines flash across the prompt to establish context, while the parameters calculate the statistical probability of the next word. This massive, instantaneous calculation produces just one single word. The AI operates without thoughts or a master plan. It simply repeats this mathematical loop at lightning speed, building a coherent sentence one piece at a time. Behind every ChatGPT interaction lies an engineering triumph, a system weighing billions of statistical probabilities to predict the future, one word at a time.